Good morning class. In previous class we have discussed about the network topology and types of network topology, and we have already discussed the first topology, that was bus topology. Now we will discuss here the star topology. Star topology is the most common type of network topology that is used in homes and offices. So children, see here. These are nodes, or you can say computers. These computers are nodes connected with one central connection that is called hub or switch. Okay, these are the node 1, node 2, node 3 and node 4. Okay, these 4 nodes are connected with the central cable or central connection that is called hub or switch. The hub or switch control all the connections or functions of the network. So children, this is the star topology. The definition is star topology is all the computers are connected by central cable, that is, or central device that is called hub or switch. The hub or switch control all the functions of the network. Okay, now come to the next point, that is advantages of star topology. Okay. Star topology. In star topology, we can add or remove nodes easily. Second point, it is easy to install. Easy to install and wire. Next, it is easy to detect faults in this topology. Okay. The most important point, children, the breakdown of any node or one node does not affect any other device on the network. See this diagram? In central there is a hub. Suppose there are these 4 nodes. Okay. The network area we will C1, computer 1, computer 2, computer 3, computer 4 and computer 5. suppose the breakdown of any one node. Okay, any one node. This will not affect to other devices. Okay. So these are the advantages of star topology. Add or remove nodes easily. It is easy to install and wire. It is easy to detect faults in their topology, and the breakdown of one node does not affect any other device on the network, and easy to understand, easy to set up and expand also. Hub and switch or hub and switch provide light emitting diode. Light emitting diode means light emitting diodes is called LED. Light emitting diodes that provide information regarding the port status. So children, these are the advantages. Now come to the next disadvantages of star topology. Disadvantages of star topology. It requires more cabling than other topologies. First disadvantage of star topology. Next, it is more expensive than the bus topology because of the cost of the central node. It means hub or switch. Third point, the failure of the central node again, that was hub or switch. Hub or switch disables communication throughout the whole network. Okay, now see the diagram. Again, these are nodes or computers and connected with central connection, that is called hub or switch. Okay, these are the nodes or computers. They are connected, all the computers are connected with the central device, that is called hub. If disadvantage is this, if there is any problem in hub, then all the devices are shut down. No connectivity is there. Okay, this is the of the network. Also depend on the capability of the hub. Okay, and it is more expensive to install due to extra required hardware. So these are the advantages and disadvantages of star topology, and next topology we will discuss in next class.